Indian food,
Uh-huh.
Chinese, and Jamaican dishes.
Okay.
Understand? And on this side now, what are you doing? On this side we have gift shops.
Okay, right there.
Yes, man. So if you need any souvenirs or
I'm actually a YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can.
They have the Indian right here.
Okay.
All of these are sauces. They also have naan bread as well.
So Ocho Rios is getting some upgrade of some apartment. Yeah. Have the stream coming right there. Look at it. Wow, nice. More people, DMAC again. Still in Ocho Rios, and I'm going to give you a walking tour. And I'm starting this one off at Eateries Plaza. Just look around and see what the plaza look like. All right. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. So let's go. Hey, what's up? You all right? All right. Okay, so we are actually leaving Ocho Rios Plaza now, you know. All right. What happened there? You alright? You good? Alright, alright. Yeah. So this is the roundabout area, you know? So this building over here is Landmark. Here, no, I said this building over here is Landmark. They have a
Mainland China, what?
Mainland China, the one restaurant.
See the flags on there?
Yeah. Yes.
Germany.
Yeah. So this is.
All of them get tariff. All of them get tariff. By
Yeah, man.
Trump.
So this is a nice restaurant where you can come and get your the Chinese food and Indian food and all of them something, you know. Yeah. And then they have some jewel shop over here, you know. Yeah. Okay. So this is it. You can go inside and get a nice food here, you know. Huh? Can I take a look inside? Really? Really? I know, I know. Huh?
I mean, they offer three cuisines: Indian, Jamaican, and Chinese dishes.
Okay. Well, actually, you are on YouTube, you know, so.
Okay, no problem.
Uh-huh.
I mean, this lovely restaurant, Mainland China, been here for years.
Yes.
I understand they offer 3 cuisines.
Uh-huh.
Indian food,
Uh-huh.
Chinese, and Jamaican dishes.
Okay.
Understand? And on this side now, what are you doing? On this side we have gift shops.
Okay, right there?
Yes, man. So if you need any souvenirs or you need any diamond rings and stuff, this is the place to get it as well.
Okay.
You know, it's a lovely environment. You can go ahead and take a look, man.
Okay, go ahead, take a look.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Walk inside and take a
And can I film inside there?
look.
Okay.
All right, this way.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
Welcome, welcome.
Yes. So this is the settings.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice.
That's Miss Annalie right here.
Hi, Miss Annalie. I'm all right.
Welcome to Mainland China. How can I assist you today?
Well, I'm just passing through, and the security say I can have a look inside here.
Okay.
I'm actually a YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah, so you give me a little.
Look up to her.
Yes, yes, yes.
So here inside there, so we have the AC. Inside there, we also have 3 cuisine here.
Yes,
We have a face of Jamaican, Chinese, and Indian food here.
yes.
We do different type of food here.
Mhm.
So we have a outside setting. We have the Indian kitchen right here.
Yes.
We have the bar right over there. We have the deck here where you can sit if you don't want to be on the inside.
Uh-huh.
So we're there. We have the tandoor here, right here.
Oh.
We have the wine bar over there.
Oh, you have a wine bar too.
Yeah, there it is right there.
Oh, right here. Okay. So if you want to dine, where you can do this, call in or what?
You just come in with hostess will greet you right there.
Yes.
And then she will ask you if you want to sit on the inside or the outside, and she seats you, tell you what we have, the type of soup, and then she will get a server to you.
Okay then.
Yes.
And you have a contact number for this?
Yes, we do.
You can give me?
Yeah, I would have to look in the company phone and give it to you.
Okay. Okay. All right. It's a nice place here. Yeah. All right, guys. So when you come to Jamaica, you can come and check out Mainland China. Yes. Yes. Promoting your restaurant. Yeah. I'm a YouTuber. Yes. So I'm just promoting your. Yeah. Yeah. So we can. Oh, this is the menu? Okay, so.
It consists of all 3 cuisine and we have.
Okay. And you get free Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So you get to choose the type of food that you want.
Uh-huh.
If you prefer, and try something new. If you're tired of the food that you've been eating,
Yeah.
give it a try.
Okay.
So here is the Jamaican section.
Uh-huh. Oh, this is the Jamaican section?
Yes, and over here is the Chinese starters and rice noodles
Uh-huh. Okay.
and soup, Chinese soup. They have lamb as well.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. On this page, we have the Chinese main courses.
Uh-huh.
They have shrimp, they have lobster, they have vegetable, all different type of things.
Okay.
They have the Indian right here.
Okay.
All of these are starters. They also have naan bread as well.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And on this page is the main courses for the Chinese. So they have dal tata, they have money rogan gosh. They also have cheesecake here, black forest. So
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, nice. All right, so you can give me the number just in case somebody need to call in.
sure, that's 1658
Uh-huh.
204
Uh-huh.
0022.
Okay
You
then.
can also get us on WhatsApp as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The WhatsApp number?
Yeah, this one is a WhatsApp.
Oh, that is the WhatsApp number.
Yes.
Okay.
And we will have those soon. They're not available as yet, but
Uh-huh.
they're coming in.
Oh, okay. Okay,
We
nice.
also have sausages,
Uh-huh.
corona beers, everything we have here.
Okay. All right. All right. Thank you so much.
All right.
Yes, all right. right, so okay, so we continue our journey. Yeah. Okay, pool.
I don't know if you can.
Yeah. Can go inside there? Ah? Okay, okay. All right. All right then. Yes. And you have adequate parking right here. Okay. Oh, I feel some raindrops, you know. You know, me feel some raindrops. Yeah. So I'll just go across the road and wrap up this video quick, pretty quick. Come, let's go. Okay. All right. Okay, so this neighborhood is Brook Green neighborhood. Yeah. So it's, they have some massive developments going on here. Soul Harbor. So Ocho Rios is getting some upgrade of some apartment. Yeah. Whoa, look at the sake tree, man. Look how it load. And you have the stream coming right there. Look at it. Wow, nice. Okay, so this is Brook Green area. All right. So this development is Soul Harbor. Okay, nice. This kids are captured on it. Yeah. You're going to look good when it's finished, eh? Yeah, man.
Chinese are built, man.
Yeah, man. Chinese ability.
I will go for the next side.
Yes. Yes. So That is a new development in Ocho Rios, my people. Yeah. I don't think I can go inside, but anyway, I show it to you. All right. See me. Okay, that's it for this one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. All right. Catch you in the other one. Bye bye for now. Can go up there, son. Get a shot up there, so.
Yeah, man. Edited it in.
Hello. My son get warm now. Yes, man. You hard at work. Yes, family. What go on there? Yes, man. A good man. Yes.
Slippery, you know, some man.
Yeah, it's slippery.
Mild.
Yeah.
Great mild.
You know, they're gonna have a good view from up here. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, nice view. Wow. All right. Go up the top there.
You said the Chinese just buy this property.
Wow. Well, it's good for the community still. Deep over there, you know?
Oh,
Yeah.
I know you drop your gun.
Man, tell you.
No saving.
Yeah. Whoa. All right. That's it for this one. All right.